Guys, we have just come back from the Love Boat. This ship is
Love Boat.
This ship is so cool. You are going to want to see the tour of this ship.
Hi, I'm Jody.
And I'm Kelly.
And we're
JK Cruising.
Yeah, we had super fun, guys. This was an amazing trip on this boat. This was ship, I should say, the Regal Princess, the Love Boat.
Yes.
And what a ship it is in all of its magnificence.
Yes, this ship was placed into service in 2014 and refurbished in 2019. And there are 19 decks of just pure fun.
Yep.
So let's start on deck 18, which is the sports deck. Has a basketball court, driving range, putt-putt, jogging track, and the screen for movie Under the Stars are also on this level.
Yeah, this is the deck above the pool. It is great for sail-away, viewing sail-aways and those types of things. It's also where you're going to find the Love Boat, like huge sign.
The pools are the stars of deck 17. The terrace pool is located in the middle, and behind that, or in front of that, I should say, at the front of the boat, you have the retreat pool and the sanctuary. Sanctuary did cost extra, but it's well worth it in my opinion. There's also several bars along the pool, the Trident Grill, and pizza, and that pizza is really good.
So anytime you're on a cruise with JK Cruising, you got to be careful. You never know what kind of animals you might find in the plants.
In the back of the ship on deck 17 is the Horizon Court and the Horizon Bistro for your buffets, lunch and breakfast and supper. Deck 7 is the top level of the 3-level piazza. The Princess Theater is located in the front of the ship, and of course it's 2 stories, so it's Deck 6 and 7. There are several retail shops, art galleries, seafood. There's a library, and then past the library is the Crown Bar, and located behind that is the Crown Grill, so it's a little tucked away. So behind the Crown Grill and the Crown Bar, you have the Vista Lounge, and it's a really cool little area. They had some comedians that put on shows a couple of nights, but I can tell you this, if you're going to go to those shows, get there really, really early. The seating goes fast.
They fill up super fast. And
Yeah.
it's not that there isn't a lot of room, but there is a lot of room in there and a lot of space and a great seating arrangement in there, but it fills up really
quickly.
So you definitely want to, get your meal done a little quickly so you can get over there, or either go to dinner a little bit earlier or schedule to go a little bit earlier so you can get in there.
So Deck 6 has the lower level of the theater, the Club 6, and the Concerto dining room. It also has the casino, and the Allegro dining room is on this level. Alfredo's Pizza is also on this level, and the photo gallery, and there's a little shop for you to buy like the little accessories that go along with the princess medallion. And there's some other little shopping here and there on that level. Deck 5 has got the Lotus Spa in the front, and it is beautiful. If you ever get a chance to indulge in a massage, I highly suggest you do.
Yeah, it definitely helped
We
me.
yeah
That
we
was
had
one of the best massages I think I've had in probably 5 years. It
we
was
had
really good.
we had hot stone massage, and it was really good.
Yeah.
The guest services is also on this deck, along with your shore excursions deck. And then there's a restaurant called Sabatini's. I swear, if they had these little rice balls at
those are good.
Olive Garden, I would eat there every single day. They were amazing. They also have a place called Gelatos. Oh my God.
Y'all should see this dessert that I got.
There's also a little place called the International Cafe. This is a great place to get little sandwiches, little breakfast stuff. So there's a few more shops on Deck 5. And there's also a great open area that that they used for exercise classes. They did everything from Zumba. They had piano playing there at night, dance floor. It was just a great little hangout area. Deck 4 has got your water shuttle embarkment and your medical center. But this ship was beautiful. It was very traditional feeling. It had the very traditional wood tones and things like that. But it was beautiful. It was, no pun intended, it was a very regal ship.
Yeah, the wood grain and just the the polish of the wood grain is like cherry wood, as you can imagine. It was just beautiful, and they really took good care of it. And you could tell from the captain to the people all the way, greeting you every day, like they wanted to take care of that ship, and they wanted you to have a good time, and they were there all the way with you, trying to make sure that your experience was the best experience that they could provide.
Yeah, they definitely had a lot of pride in the ship.
Definitely a lot of pride in the ship. So.
Yeah, we enjoyed it. Regal Princess in 2024 is sailing out of Galveston, Texas, and it is definitely worth the cruise.
We thank you for joining us. We hope you enjoyed the video. And please like and subscribe. It really doesn't cost you anything. It means the world to us, though. So we hope you enjoyed the video. Laugh at us, laugh with us.
But go cruising.
But go cruising for sure. We'll see you soon.